123learningenglish.com. Let's learn basic and useful phrases in English. Ways to say hello in English. Hello. 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 What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? How's everything? How's everything? How's everything? How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? How's tricks? How's tricks? How's tricks? Haven't seen you for ages. Haven't seen you for ages. Haven't seen you for ages. Great to see you again. Great to see you again. Great to see you again. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Ways to say goodbye in English. Bye. 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 Goodbye. 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 Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. Be seeing you. Be seeing you. Be seeing you. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. I'm off. I'm off. I'm off. Catch you later. Catch you later. Catch you later. Farewell. 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 Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. See you later. See you later. See you later. Ways to say thank you in English. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You've made my day. You've made my day. You've made my day. How thoughtful of you. How thoughtful of you. How thoughtful of you. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. I am most grateful. I am most grateful. I am most grateful. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. How to respond to thank you in English. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. No problem. No problem. No worries. No worries. No worries. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. My pleasure. My pleasure. My pleasure. Glad to help. Glad to help. Glad to help. Sure. 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 Anytime. 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 No sweat. No sweat. No sweat. It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. Ways to say sorry in English. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. My bad. My bad. My bad. It was my fault. It was my fault. It was my fault. I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility. I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me. That was wrong of me. That was wrong of me. That was wrong of me. I apologize for my mistake. I apologize for my mistake. I apologize for my mistake. Ways to say I am fine in English. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Can't complain. Can't complain. Can't complain. I'm just peachy. I'm just peachy. I'm just peachy. Never better. Never better. Never better. Over the moon. Over the moon. Over the moon. I am on cloud 9. I am on cloud 9. I am on cloud 9. I am on top of the world. I am on top of the world. I am on top of the world. Ways to ask for help in English. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I need some assistance. I need some assistance. I need some assistance. Could you give me a hand? Could you give me a hand? Could you give me a hand? I need your support. I need your support. I need your support. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Would you mind helping me, please? Would you mind helping me, please? Would you mind helping me, please? Please, can I ask your help? Please, can I ask your help? Please, can I ask your help? Could you lend me a hand? Could you lend me a hand? Could you lend me a hand? I need a helping hand. I need a helping hand. I need a helping hand. Could someone help me, please? Could someone help me, please? Could someone help me, please? Useful expressions for shopping in English. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? How much does that cost? How much does that cost? How much does that cost? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Have you got anything cheaper? Have you got anything cheaper? Have you got anything cheaper? What time do you open? What time do you open? What time do you open? Here's your change. Here's your change. Here's your change. Do you have this item in stock? Do you have this item in stock? Do you have this item in stock? Sorry, it's out of stock at a moment. Sorry, it's out of stock at a moment. Sorry, it's out of stock at a moment. Where can I find the chocolate? Where can I find the chocolate? Where can I find the chocolate? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Useful telephone phrases in English. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Could I ask who's calling, please? Could I ask who's calling, please? Could I ask who's calling, please? Do you mind waiting a few minutes? Do you mind waiting a few minutes? Do you mind waiting a few minutes? When is a good time to call? When is a good time to call? When is a good time to call? May I speak to Mr. Smith? May I speak to Mr. Smith? May I speak to Mr. Smith? I'm sorry, he's not here today. I'm sorry, he's not here today. I'm sorry, he's not here today. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Could you spell that for me, please? Could you spell that for me, please? Could you spell that for me, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch your first name. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your first name. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your first name. Would you mind speaking up a bit? Would you mind speaking up a bit? Would you mind speaking up a bit? How to talk about weather in English. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather? What's it like outside? What's it like outside? What's it like outside? What's the temperature there? What's the temperature there? What's the temperature there? What's the weather forecast? What's the weather forecast? What's the weather forecast? It is sunny. It is sunny. It is sunny. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. The weather will be warming up soon. The weather will be warming up soon. The weather will be warming up soon. It's expected to be hotter than last year. It's expected to be hotter than last year. It's expected to be hotter than last year. I can't believe this weather. I can't believe this weather. I can't believe this weather. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.